What's up, everybody? Today is bike update day. So there's actually quite a few folks that are new to the channel. Well, everyone's new to the channel as of 3 months ago. The channel's new. But quite a few folks over the past couple weeks or so, a couple videos brought in quite a few new viewers. So wanted to update everyone really on the motorcycle. We have got a new bike day. Well, kind of. We're still waiting on the registration. The registration here for a new bike takes a long time. And this is where you start to realize or start to develop that patience gene. So I bought this bike just over 2 months ago. Still not really able to ride it. So what I've got today is I've got a day pass. So I could ride it today. So that's what I'm doing. And so it should be another maybe 2 weeks to a month before it's registered with the local offices here, and then I'll be able to ride it. So I got a day pass today. I'm really excited. It's kind of the first day since I bought it, a couple months ago, where I'm able to ride it. So what we got here is we got the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. It's a new bike by Royal Enfield. Yeah, it's great. It's an ideal machine for the Philippines in a lot of ways. Actually, I believe the Honda ADV 160, the scooter, which I'm probably still going to pick up. I do believe that's probably a little bit better of a machine for the Philippines, just because of the built-in storage. You've got whatever 20 plus liters under the seat, and you can get a top box. So I do think that's probably your best bet as far as transportation here in the Philippines, but I couldn't get one. So this is a great bike here. It's really fun. It's just a really great design too. Really like the bike. I like the sound of it. I like the look of it. It's really fun. So I'm going to keep it. I'm going to, use it to kind of cruise around a little bit here in the Cebu area. So yeah, it's bike day. We're going to go ride. So a lot of things we're testing out. We're testing out, obviously, a new bike. We're testing out motovlogging. We're testing out, I got a GPS that should bring in some stats. So, bear with me as I kind of have a lot of new stuff going on, as usual, right? Like I said, this is 3 months for me doing this. So I, just really appreciate everyone's, interest in the channel. That's just phenomenal. It's really, thank you so much. And anyways, we're gonna go for a little ride. I'm not quite sure where I'm going. There's the road I'm really familiar with, which is the Trans Central Highway. I just know that road well. I'm debating whether or not I want to go that way because it is a road that I know. But on the flip side of that, it's a dangerous road. It's probably not the best road for me to be on. I'm learning a new motorcycle. But it is a road I know, but I'm probably actually just going to go south, head towards like Car, to be all city driving, which is not something I really want to do either. But anyways, we got a middle of the day Friday, about whatever, 9, 10 a.m. in the morning on a Friday. So we should be good. We're going to check it out. So anyways, be back in a second. All right, guys, camera's on. We've been riding a couple minutes around town, kind of checking it out, going nice and easy and slow. It has been a while since I've been on a motorcycle. And riding here is a lot different than in the United States. It really is. You got to, it's a lot different. You got a lot of different driving rules. You got, there's rules to the road, but you can fly around. Lane filtering is completely legal here and expected. So yeah, just kind of chilling out, taking it easy today, just riding around. Getting used to the bike and everything else today. So, but just a great ride so far. Really cool. Actually, my buddy lives right there. Actually, over by IT Park. But yeah, just getting used to the bike. Just kind of cruising around. Do some city riding today, I guess. No real destination. Really light, nimble machine though. This feels really good. Liking it. Sounds great. It's got a good sound to her. Yeah, it's really fun. Good times. So what I'm carrying with me is I've got a registration paper that says I can ride the vehicle today. So if I do get pulled over, which I have gotten pulled over, they really pull over a lot of scooters and stuff like that. You'll get checkpoints here in Cebu anyways. I don't know about other areas. But they really do kind of, they check the vehicles and they check your registration and like, yeah, right, look right here. Here's some kind of checkpoint of some sort. So, you know, you really got to be careful. Make sure you've got your paperwork and everything in order. You know, so, yeah, it's important. I have no idea where I'm going, but that's all right. I'm driving around today. I do kind of want to avoid some traffic, although I'm probably not on the right road for that. Because I'm hitting it right now. Maybe I'll go this way. Let's get, ooh, no, can't go this way. Check the turning radius on the bike. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Clear a little bit of traffic fall here. Maybe. Yeah, a little bit of traffic here. I wouldn't mind getting out of it, but whatever. Yeah, you got vehicles all around you. You know, definitely it's an adjustment riding here. You know, for sure. Like I said, you pretty much, if there's space on the road, you guys are riding in it, which is fun. I actually, you know, I kind of wish this is how you could ride in the United States. You know, just ride. Yeah, this is a great little bike, great little torquey machine. Really having fun with it so far. You know, just getting out on it, really. So, still learning it. A little bit of traffic here. So one of the concerns I have about this bike, and maybe if someone has this bike and they know already, is how does it handle? Since it's oil cooled and air cooled, how the heck is this thing going to handle here in the Philippines, right? As far as the temperature, a little bit of concerns about that. I'll be honest with you. I don't really know. You know, I do know that this is a really popular bike in India, so I would assume, you know, it's going to be just fine. But yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see. I was told this is the first one here in the Philippines, or at least Cebu anyways. But my plan is really to ride this bike or the Honda ADV once I'm able to pick that up. Really just kind of ride this all throughout the Philippines and do trips, do like weekend trips or week trips, and you know, go out, go back to Bintayan, ride up to Bintayan, and you know, go over to Moabol, go to, you know, just all over. Go to Siquijor. We got a trip to Camotes that we're trying to get together once I got registration finalized. So yeah, that's really the plan with this bike. And then of course, you know, just doing stuff, getting over it, even just day trips over to like Toledo and Balamban and, you know, that whole coast over there. That's only really like an hour away or so. And, you know, getting up on the Trans Central. You know, you don't really need transportation when you're here in Cebu City. You can get by on buses and taxis and all that stuff. You really can, but it just opens up so much more if you're, you know, if you got your own transportation, get around on a scooter or whatever. You know, it just really opens up a whole new world for you to kind of explore and get around. And that's kind of what I wanted to do. I've been walking around the town and taking taxis and stuff everywhere, which, you know, does work. But, you know, just really wanted to get out and explore a little bit more, as well as, you know, other parts of Cebu and the island and stuff. So went ahead and picked up a bike, and really that is probably the best mode of transportation here is two wheels. But, you know, it's been a while for me since I've been on a bike, so, and the last time it didn't go so well. You know, I will do a video on that whole stuff, you know, at some point. You know, I think it's, you know, something a little bit down the road. I'll do a video on just kind of my accident and, you know, what happened there. So, but yeah, it's been a while since I've been on a bike. I have no idea where I'm at right now. Although look, there's a Harley Davidson. You know what? We should go check that out. Yeah, there's a Harley here. Well, let's go check that out. Let's kind of cool. All right, guys, look, I just stopped and taking a quick break on the ride, and I had to. This is one of those things that's really different about the Philippines. That I've actually got a whole list of stuff, but I'm waiting to do an entire video. But since I'm here riding around, I just had to shoot this, and it's the bathrooms. I mean, dude, look at. I mean, this is wide open. Look, there's outside, there's the bathroom. So if you have stage fright, be forewarned that the bathrooms are a little bit exposed. And they're a lot like this. I've seen like a bunch of them. So anyways, man, I'm gonna go ride some more. Catch you guys in a few.